think ideally I probably want to leave here today because it looks like we've got 4 days worth of snow incoming. It's a bit wet today. So for the last few days it had been a bit nippy out, like I was getting a lot of frost building up on the metalwork inside the van in the mornings. As you might be able to see today, no frost, just moisture build up, which is fantastic. I'm a bit further down south, so it's a bit milder now, and all of the frost and snow has turned to rain. Oh no. So yeah, of course the truth is it was mild last night, so I guess the van was insulated by a couple of inches of snow. And the thing is, I was a little bit further up north last time I checked the weather report, and it did say that we had snow incoming, which is why I've been, making my way down south, and I was in a spot where it was supposed to not be snowing, which I guess, was at a lower elevation where I guess this would all be rain if I was still there. And of course I've travelled up into the mountains a little bit higher elevation, so I guess that's why that rain is now snow. Looks like the van is buried in an inch or so of snow again. Oh man, Scotland, you just keep throwing crap at me, don't you? Yeah, okay, so after seeing that waterfall yesterday, actually spent the night a little bit up the road from it on a nice flat spot. This morning, of course, absolutely covered in snow, so I'm going to wander back down to the waterfall, hopefully get some nice shots of it in the snow. Beautiful. It looks like I probably could get a little bit closer on the other side, but after putting my foot in like a 6-inch sinkhole, I don't particularly want to. I'd rather keep my boots slightly cleaner than they are now. Man, pretty awesome, eh? And it's still not not as cold as it has been in the past, so I reckon, you know, the next batch of rain will come along and wash all of this snow away, and I'll be out of here by tomorrow, maybe. And it does look like the sun's trying to break through up in the sky. I want to get some pictures of the scenery as well, it's lovely.